No appointment needed. Drop off your media for us to review. We document each item and discuss the best digitization method. Our technicians carefully label every item before beginning the digitization process, ensuring everything stays organized throughout your project. Our technicians carefully review each recording, making enhancements to achieve the best results. Your memories are converted to digital files and transferred to a high-quality USB. Every project undergoes a final quality inspection before we notify you for pickup. Pick up your completed order within 3 business days at your convenience. During pickup, we will review your order and answer any questions. Pay the remaining balance and take home your renewed memories to enjoy. Relive cherished memories on today's mobile devices. Thank you for trusting KohVideo. We truly appreciate your support. Don't forget to check out our awesome vintage media museum.